Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna do a removal or I'm gonna do infill on this hand, and I am too much in love with this magic cat eye gel polish to stop. I'm not gonna do the blue, so yeah, I'm just gonna show you fast what I'm gonna use. Of course, I'm gonna file it off. I'm gonna push up, remove any cuticle, dead skin, you know, prime my the bit of my natural nail. Then I will use the extension nail gel in nude pink from Born Pretty. I do have a code 22% off CammiBaby. It's down in my description box, all the links. And I think I'm going to use the Madame Glam base coat. I usually use the rubber base coat, but I think I'm going to do the regular base coat. And for the colors, I'm going to use the Born Pretty BPCP03. This is a this is from the pastel collection. As you can see, it's a beautiful lilac color, and I'm going to use the Magic Cat Magnetic Gel number 2, which also is the purple. But I think I want to do a little twist this time. I think I might use some glitter. This glitter I've had for so long. This is just 2 of the 12 colors. I think I might add a little glitter before I do the cat eye on a couple of nails. I'm not sure yet which color I'm gonna go for. We'll see, but I think I might do a couple of nails with some glitter under the cat eye and just encapsulate it a bit. So that is what I'm gonna do. I just want to show you the products. I'm gonna link everything I can link down in my description box, and I'm gonna get my dust collector out and just get started. So the gel polish is off, and some of the gel that is on these are full cover tips. So you see I'm cutting them down a bit, and I'm reshaping them into kind of a coffin. At the end, they ended up a bit more ballerina, which I don't like, but it is what it is. But anywho, I'm cutting them down a bit and reshaping them, and then I'm over to the prep. So after using the cuticle pusher to push up the skin, I'm using a flame bit to push up the cuticles, or getting the cuticles up from the nails so I can cut off the dead skin. So I'm just showing you a little bit of each. I'm doing first one side, then I'm doing the other side, and then I'm using a cuticle scissor to cut off the dead skin what we call cuticle. So here you see I'm just going in, cutting, you can see what is, you know, the skin that is dead and dry. So don't nip too far in or you will bleed. So that is it. And then I'm just taking, I don't know what to call this, it's just a diamond bit around like a barrel bit, and I'm using it on, I think it was just 1000 RPM, and I'm just going and kind of smoothing the skin a bit, but at the same time I'm filing the shine of my natural nail. So I'm just kind of getting 2 in 1. Usually when you smooth out your skin with a diamond bit you use higher speed, but I mostly wanted to just remove the shine from the nail and I want to be careful, so I'm just using it at a super low speed. So now I'm just cleaning with alcohol before I'm going in with the dehydrator and primer. I'm using the ones from Born Pretty. And then we're gonna base coat before I go in with the builder gel, and you will see that I only, like I'm mostly, or I put most, God, here we go again. That's why I hate voiceover more than anything. I put most of the gel on top, you know, where I'm filling. So I'm just like dragging it, scraping it down the tips, because I don't want the nails much thicker down. I just want to fill them at the top. So you will see, but I'm just gonna let you watch and be back later. And the reason why I am wiping off the nails, removing the sticky layer of the base coat, is because I used a Madame Glam base coat and I'm going to use a Born Pretty builder gel. So I want to remove that sticky layer since it's not the same brand. Then I'm starting with a thin layer of the builder gel on all the nail. So it is a slip layer, so the gel kind of follows the gel. So when you have wet gel, the gel you put on will follow where the gel is, so it will help the gel to self-level. So I like to use a liner brush to get it like flush. Just don't touch the skin, but if you want it really, really close to the skin and get it flush and nice around the cuticle and side walls, a liner brush is a very good tool. So after the builder gel, I have wiped off the tacky layer and I'm going over to crispen up the shape a bit and doing a light filing on top. I think I'm mainly showing you the thumb because yeah, it's just the same on all the nails. But yeah, just, you know, reshape a bit after the Builder gel, because yeah, I wasn't that picky with it. So here I've switched from the metal file and over to a regular file, and I'm just doing a pretty light buff. It's not a, yeah, it's not a lot of work, just rounding it out, making sure it's smooth and nice, and then finishing with the 80 grit buffer, and then we're over to the design. So I chose this pink glitter, which I regret it, because you can mainly see the silver in it. I can see it, the pink, and there is some blue shimmer and some to it, but you can't see it on camera. And I wish I did some flakies. I was looking, but I couldn't find some opal or some flakies. So yeah, I just put on some Bon Pretty base coat, and I just did not put it on the side walls, but mainly, you know, left the sides. And then I just added a few glitters. I don't know, I didn't want to have too much because I didn't want the nails to be super thick. So I just cured that, and then I used the Bon Pretty reinforcement gel to encapsulate it, and then I buffed it a bit, and then it is the cat eye. I only did one coat of cat eye on these, and I just love this cat eye effect. It is absolutely amazing. So I'm just gonna let you watch the rest and be back at the end. So we're done. I finished with the super top coat from Born Pretty. Amazing. Look how glossy that is. Look at that cat eye. I cannot. These are just amazing. I love them. And I was thinking about having some glass gels, you know, some jelly over this would be amazing. So that is something I'm gonna try. But that is it, guys. I hope you liked it. I will leave the links for everything I have links for in the description box with my codes and everything. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.